Hello, this is my extra credit opportunity, the Picha Kucha presentation on anxiety, and my U number is 09379068. Anxiety, simply put, is the very intense and constant worry, or fear, all of the time. Anxiety can come from things like waiting for someone to reply or waiting for your organic chemistry final to start. Anxiety can come from just about anything, but never is a good time. Some symptoms of anxiety include perspiration, heavy or fast breathing, an increased heart rate, sometimes feeling tired or dizziness, but anxiety is never a good time. It is believed that anxiety disorders are caused by a disruption in the emotional center of the brain. This affects how people feel and their emotional responses to certain things. One region that is negatively affected is the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for certain functions like making decisions, understanding social cues, and thinking rationally about choices. Another part that does not get enough activity is the orbitofrontal cortex, also known as the OFC. The OFC does things like codes information for the brain, controls impulses, and most importantly relating to anxiety is controls moods. The entire part of the brain that deals with emotions is called the limbic system. The limbic system assesses the well-being of the body and assesses it based on pain. Inside the limbic system is the hippocampus. The hippocampus regulates stress and stress responses and detects activity of pain as well, and can cause symptoms of anxiety. Another level to the limbic system is the amygdala. The amygdala expresses a person's fear and how they respond to anxiety, like taking defensive maneuvers or fleeing. Anxiety affects millions of adults each year, but is pretty treatable. Things like therapy, constant medication, or self-care can make anxiety better for people.